Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to create Twitter account private. So guys, a private Twitter account means that whenever you post can only seen by your followers or all of them who you have to manually approve. So this also means that anyone who doesn't follow you or doesn't have permission to view your feed won't be able to see your tweets. So guys, here I'm going to show you the very easy process to make Twitter account private. So let's get started. So guys, to make Twitter account private, you have to simply open your Chrome browser. Now type in search bar Twitter. Click on first link. So guys, here you can see our Twitter homepage. So click on profile. So guys, here you can see our profile. So guys, to make your account private, here you can see the option of more. So click on more. Now in more you can see the option of settings and support. So click on it. Now in this option you can see the option of settings and privacy. So click on settings and privacy. Now in this option you can see the option of your account. So click on your account. Now in your account you can see the option of account information. So click on account information. Now enter here your password and click on confirm. So guys, here you can see the option of protected tweets. So click on it. So here you can see the option of protects your tweets. When selected, your tweets and other account information are only visible to people who follow you. So simply you have to check this box and simply click on protect. So by doing this, your account will be changed into private. So guys, here you can see we have created the Twitter account private. So you can also create the Twitter account private by following this process that I have shown you step by step. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.